Hey, this is Math Minutes Pro. Today, we're going to talk about how to use the arithmetic sequence to write the first 5 terms and to write a simplified equation. And we're going to be given the first term and the common difference. So, let's go ahead and get started. First, we acknowledge that what we're given is that a sub 1, which is the first term, we're told that that equals 28. This is a part of the original problem. And the common difference, D, denoted D, equals 10. Very good. Now, what we first want to do is we're going to use the common difference to write the first 5 terms. So, we're going to denote the first 5 terms as a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. Now that sequence represents the first 5 terms in this arithmetic sequence. Now we're going to use the common difference to get the first 5 terms. We already know that the first term is 28, right? So we write that underneath. That's the first term. And here's what we're going to do here. So because the common difference is 10, and because it's positive, that means we ask ourselves, what can we do to the first term to get the second term? Well, we add 10. So we're going to add 10. And when we add 10 to the first term, 28, we get 38. Okay? When we add 10 to the second term, then we get 48. Okay, we add 10 to the next term. When we do that, we get 58. Then we add 10 to the fourth term to get the fifth term. And when we do that, we get 68. So what this means, these are the first 5 terms in the arithmetic sequence. So I'm just going to draw a line to suggest that's what we got there, okay? All right, looking good. Now, let's prepare to write the arithmetic sequence formula in a simplified form. Now, as we prepare to write the formula, this is the formula. I'm going to write it down. It is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now, we're going to substitute a sub 1 for a sub 1 and d, the common difference, and then we're going to simplify that equation. So, we know that a sub 1 is equal to what? 28. So we substitute 28 plus quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 10. Now we're going to rewrite this equation and bring the 10 on the left side of n minus 1. 28 equals 28 plus 10 times n minus 1. Very good. Now we're going to use the distributive property. We're going to multiply 10 times n and 10 times 1. So we bring down the 28 plus 10 times n, and minus 10 times 1, which is 10. Now, I want to rewrite and group the like terms. 28 and 10 are like, so I'm going to bring those together. So I'm going to write equals 28 minus 10 plus 10 times n. That's all I did, was just bring the like terms together. Now the final step, we have a sub n equals 28 minus 10 is 18 plus 10 times n. This is our final answer. Let me erase that over here so there's no confusion. I'll write that again. So that's all right. There we go. So a sub n equals 18 plus 10 times n. Well, again, what does that represent? That represents the simplified equation that they asked for in the very beginning. And I'm just going to draw an arrow over here to communicate. That's what that is. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Patreon page in my video description below. On my Patreon page, you can get access to exclusive math lessons, study tips, live Q&A, and more. See you next time.